Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair again, doing the next wheel on this Tesla with the DIY attempt repair. So we've got curb rash on the left side of the wheel, but the worst spot is going to be between these spokes. Right here you can see that's very deep factory finish and it's failing and it's all chipping away. So we're going to have to get the sander in there to take care of all that too. I'm going to get set up and do this one. We're gonna have to grind first, and then we'll sand everything out while I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below for the products and tools I use. I'm gonna start grinding on this. I've already wiped away the tire shine on this one, at least where I'm gonna work. There's still a lot on the wheel over here, but we don't have to worry about that. Alright, we're going to go again with the 220 grit sandpaper on this one. I'm going to go around the edge of the wheel first, then I'll come concentrate on this area between the spokes here. Grabbing a fresh sheet of 220. When you have all this old paint that's never been clear coated or anything, it just clogs up your grits on your sandpaper. So to get all this deep stuff out, we're switching to a fresh one now. Might have to switch one more time before this is done too. That should do it. Now we'll go ahead and scuff, clean, and paint. Still have some tire shine residue on the wheel, so the dust isn't spraying off. Take my rag again. I use the Adams Surface Prep Spray. Just dampen the rag, pull that dust off. This stuff evaporates very quickly, so you can paint almost immediately after you've wiped the wheel down. then we'll cover all that with the clear coat.